Go. Austin.
You think he's crying and he's laughing away.
Okay, now take him off and listen to him cry.
Put him down.
You don't want to get down.
Okay, put him back on him.
Just to show what happened instantly. Go! Oh my gosh. Y'all can submit.
Okay, this is after. Oh,
Y'all can put that on America's Funny Videos.
okay, try it again. Let's see if we can make him stop crying.
I mean, it's like instant.
I can't even get the camera. Okay, let's see if we can make him cry. Okay, make him happy.